Welcome to another unboxing. We have one Kani Sensha 2 Orb by Toys Cabin to open. These are out now. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to order. And so as not to make us crabby, how about giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel. There are 4 listed in this series to collect, with 4 different colorways and minor variations. There are no listed ratios or secret, but as per usual, that doesn't mean there aren't any. On to only orb. It's albino white. So almost exactly a year ago we unboxed series 1 of these, and not unlike that series, these two are a little fiddly and tricky to assemble. Although where series 1 was Gatling gun centric, these look to the heavens with anti-aircraft weapons. They feature the same intricate design and articulation, but with added claw twist and swivel movement to aid in pointing the cannon skyward. Unfortunately, the paint job and paint detailing isn't that great on this particular example, but the other colorways do appear to hold more promise. Overall, as much as we enjoyed the previous series, these continue on nicely and are still a unique and original blind IP. But for now, that's our unboxing.
Yo, you wanna start, bro? You wanna start?